I've been holding on to pieces of a story made of pain, memories that once felt holy now just whisper your name. I've been walking through the shadows of the love I used to know, trying hard to find a reason. Heaven told me to let go. There were tears I never showed. There were words I couldn't say. Couldn't say. But I'm learning now to breathe again, learning I'll be okay. So I'm letting go of the pain I used to carry in my soul. I'm releasing every story I was told that I had to hold on to what broke me. Now I'm healing slow. I'm not who I was, I'm learning to grow. Letting go, letting go, letting go. I remember all the nights when my heart could barely beat. Every pillow was a witness to the tears beneath the sheet. I blame myself for all the wreckage. Thought the pain was meant for me, but the scars became a lesson, teaching who I'm meant to be. To be. There were dreams that disappeared in the silence of goodbye. Goodbye. But I'm finding pieces of myself in every tear I cry. So I'm letting go of the pain I used to carry in my soul. I'm releasing every story I was told that I had to hold on to what broke me. Now I'm healing slow. I'm not who I was, I'm learning to grow. I'm giving up the weight, I'm taking control. Oh, I'm letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. I forgive what hurt me, I release what left me. All these pieces aren't wasted anymore, not wasted anymore. I'm learning I'm worthy, even when I'm hurting. My heart's beating stronger than before, stronger than before. So I'm letting go of the pain I used to to carry in my soul. I'm releasing every story I was told, that I had to hold on to what broke me. Now I'm healing slow. I'm not who I was, I'm learning to grow. My heart is coming home, I'm taking control. Oh, I'm letting go, letting go. Letting go. I'm healing now, I'm letting go.